Sounds like she likes chocolate. Good girl. Caw, caw, caw. The birds want your cake, but there's nothing left. Yum, yum. Delicioso. That's Daddy. He's coming to clean you up. He's coming to clean up his baby.
What?
Happy birthday, baby. We love you.